Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I'm going to be sharing what's inside the brand new Cosedora HBox. This one is called Succuland, and this one will be available June 2nd at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As I mentioned before, when you order the HBox, you'll also receive little goodies, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Mini collectible stamping plate and scraper. Cute stickers. And the surprise gift for this collection is this beautiful little book bag that has the theme printed on it. That's all I have for you guys today. Come back tomorrow when I'll be sharing the new stamping plates from this collection. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! You can use my discount code Jenny10 to receive 10% off your order. I'll have a link in the description box below.